The holiday season is upon us, so we are going to make a beautiful golden brown brined turkey, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks how to get the beautiful golden brown every single time with a juicy interior with loads and loads of flavor, well balanced. Before you use this method, make sure that your turkey is an unseasoned turkey. To start preparing our turkey, we are going to prepare our wet brine, and we're going to add 1400 ml of water to a pot. One cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 2 pieces of fresh orange peel, but I didn't leave on too much of the white because I'm only looking for the oils. 2 tablespoons of peppercorn, a few sprigs of thyme, fresh thyme, 2 sprigs of rosemary, 2 bay leaves, a good amount of ginger, which will amount to 2 tablespoons, 10 cloves of garlic, half of a lemon, because we're not going to add any vinegar in this, 1 medium white onion, and this is going to be very flavorful, and we're adding 1 sprig of green onion. We're adding 1 cup of pickling salt and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Mix all the flavors together, and then we're going to cover it up and let it come up to a nice rolling boil, and let it seep, come down to room temperature, and have all the flavors infused. We are using a bucket as our vessel to carry our turkey, and we're going to add our brine to it. The brine has cooled a little bit, and although it's quite hot, as you can see, we're going to add matching amount of cold water to it to bring it down to room temperature. We're going to add 1400 ml of cold water. We're going to place our bird down in here, breast side down, and let it submerge. Cover it over with a bucket cover or a pot cover, a stock pot cover, whatever vessel that you have it in, and you want to place it in the fridge. Our turkey has been brining for about 14 hours, and I like to pack the skin, and I have it on my cooling rack in a tray to drain. To get a nice crispy skin, you want to dry it completely dry. We have 1/3 of a cup of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and this right here is a mixture of dried rosemary, dried thyme, and dried pepper flakes that I put in my spice grinder to make a blend. So we're going to add all of this into the butter. Make sure that your butter is unsalted and all your seasonings are unsalted. And we're going to give this a good melt in the microwave. And this is the outcome for our skin and the inside. We are not adding any salt because the turkey has already been brined. Place some of the seasonings inside the cavity of the turkey, and then you want to stuff the turkey. I have stuffed this with some onions, some garlic, lemons. I've stuffed it with rosemary, thyme, celery, carrot, and oranges. Turn the turkey over and you want to rub the back of the turkey. And now I'm going to place it into a turkey roasting pan and brush the flavors all over the turkey. You want to pin the turkey wing against the turkey to prevent it from burning to get an even browning. So we're going to bake this for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit covered. For the first 1 hour, once the turkey begins to get brown, you want to start basting the turkey. And here's a trick of how I get my turkey to become a beautiful color every single time. I take some of the turkey stock and I place it into a bowl and I add some unsalted Cajun seasoning and some paprika. Give it a mix and I baste the turkey with it. I'm going to baste the turkey with this 2 to 3 times until I get the desired color. So every 15 minutes, I will baste the turkey in the colorful liquid. The baking time of your turkey will vary based on size, and this turkey was 7 kgs. The internal temperature for each part of the turkey should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This turkey goes back in the oven uncovered for a total of 45 minutes, basting it 15 minutes 3 times. After 3 bastes, this is our final product. We're going to present this. Here you have it, a beautiful holiday turkey presentation. Thank you for joining. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. See you in the next recipe.